right, now that we've uploaded our first video, you can see the video is already up, right? The video is already up. And what I want us to actually pay attention to next is it is very important to grow your YouTube channel. And one of the best way to grow your YouTube channel is when you have a consistent upload schedule. That is, you are building consistently on your channel because that consistency actually impacts your audience retention and growth, right? And there are ways you can actually do that. There are ways you can do that. To grow your channel, like I mentioned, consistency is key. So YouTube actually rewards channels that post regularly because it keeps viewers engaged. You know, what YouTube is doing is basically business. They are doing business. So they are not just uh, there, but they are doing business. They advertise people's product. So when you have more people engaging your channel, when you keep more viewers engaged on your channel, YouTube tends to favor you because you are also favoring them because your channel is going to be shown to more people, right? So to do that, you need to choose a schedule you can stick to, right? Whether it's a week, it's once in a week, or maybe twice a month, you just choose that and stick to it. This helps your audience to know when to expect new content. And in that case, it increases viewership and what retention. Very important. Then you can also batch create content. What do I mean by batch creating content? This is a great way to actually stay consistent. So it is more like you are batch creating the content. So instead of maybe recording or filming one video at a time, you can try to film multiple videos in one section. Then you can just schedule them and release them over time. For instance, you can maybe create videos, release one in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Maybe it depends on how you want to do it, or once in a day, or once, or maybe two, three times in a week. Just create them, fix them, and they keep dropping at that time that you've scheduled that they should drop, right? That way it helps a lot in building your content. Then you have to also stick to your niche. Consistency also applies to your content, not to the number of content you upload, but the kind of content you create. So you need to stay within your niche so your audience knows what to expect all the time. For example, if you start a channel on crypto jobs, you have to stick to that theme rather than suddenly posting lifestyle content. In as much as these are content, but you are contradicting the aim of your what content or your channel, and that's not really going to appeal some of your audience or whatever. So you may not gain retention, and retention plays a major role in your channel. Just like we uploaded how to sell and trade hamster combat now, tomorrow I should not come and upload how to sell real estate or how to sell a plot of land. It doesn't really resonate with the channel. So if your channel is about a particular niche, ensure to just focus on that aspect. Don't go and contradict things because maybe you know it or because you have a lot of content. No, focus on what the content or sorry, the channel is all about, not what you know or not what others are doing. Or maybe because you discover something is trending. No, you don't do it that way. You trend according to your niche. Trend according to your niche. So create content that your audience will resonate with. Create content that they will come back to search for. Create content that will keep them glued and keep them retaining or coming back to your channel. It's very important. So, but creating content can ease you on such. So, when you're uploading such a content, how do you do it? If you want to upload the content and you want to schedule when the content will land, all you need to do is just ensure you make use of the right date. So, if I click on create now, I will have to I can just click on create, click on upload. I'll click on upload, click on what I want to upload. Then I'll select the content I want to upload. So I'll go to my videos, select the particular content I want to upload. So if this is the video, I'll just select the video, then allow it to load. So we are trying to see to how we can use the inbuilt YouTube way of scheduling content. So you can add your title, add everything, then come down to the bottom of the page, right? Come down, select what you are supposed to select, and go to the next page. So after you have fixed everything, everything is good to go. On this visibility, this last one, which is visibility, you come down and use what? instead of using public or private, you come down to use schedule. You can see schedule. So you click on this schedule, then select the date you want to schedule. Today is already 25th. If I want to schedule this 26th, I will have to select this date, select the date I want to the content to publish, select the time, use the right time zone, then I'll click on publish. Once I click on publish, once it gets to that date and time, the video will publish. So you can do this repeatedly. You can, in a day, fix video to cover 1 week, and you go and relax. It will be dropping on your channel one after the other. That way, you are having enough content on your channel, right? So that's how to uh, go about using the inbuilt content this thing on YouTube, content uploading, or the schedule or way to upload, or let me say the tool you can use to schedule your content. That's the best way to get it done on YouTube. Inbuilt, you don't have to use any external link or whatever. You can make use of what is there. So I have to delete this because it's just a sample video, not a real video, right? So that's how you go about it. So ensure you create content so that your channel will get engagement from time to time, right?